Okay, so this is the working screen, very first one I have received. It was originally here. When the first time the screen got bad on this side, I took it and I shipped it to you, and I moved this screen to this side. So this is the good one, it's working, and that's the very first one I got from you. But this is the bad side, where originally the old screen got bad. So now I'm gonna use the good side to install a new screen that arrived. I didn't open it yet, so if you can feel me. So here's the packaging. Still packed. Alright. It's all connected, if you can show them. Nice and tight. Okay, I'll take it from here. Okay, so something is wrong with this screen as well. You see, it doesn't show all the data. I'm not gonna start the engine, but I already can see that something is wrong with this one as well. Maybe it's getting different program or something. I'm gonna swap the screens now, not stopping the video, so you can see that I'm not changing the screens. If you can hold it. This is the very first one you sent me, and this is still good. It's working fine on each side. Okay, let's see. You see it again, it's not showing. And this one shows everything. So maybe some kind of program you use for the new screens is not allowing it to show all the data, or it's not communicating with the control unit on the engine. But I mean, I can start if it's safe. You see it, but it's like no data. And this one is fine. So I don't know what is it. This side shows everything on this one, and this one shows everything on this side, but this screen is not showing stuff.